Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Bish's RV right here in Calera, Alabama. Now we're here for their brand new grand opening. So we're going to take a look at this one right here today, and before we do, for 15% off, be sure to check out our description with all that information about 15% off on liquefied. All right, here we go. We're going to check out this 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini, model number 2108DS. So let's get started. The length on this Winnebago is 22 feet 5 inches. The dry weight is 4,291 with a hitch weight of 436 with a GVWR of 5,500 pounds. Now I'm going to tell you something I do like about it is short, and you've got 2 axles.
Yes. Real quick, we can't get around the other side. Like I said, we are at their grand opening again. So as you can see, there is a fence here. So unfortunately, we can't show you this side, but we will show you this side. So this is going to be your pass-through storage here. Actually, a nice size storage.
And we do have music playing in the background, so we may have to mute stuff.
We may have to make some different arrangements. But here at the back, you do see you've got an access ladder, and your spare is back here. You are also going to have, I'm sorry, I couldn't see that.
15 foot.
15 foot power awning. All right, so let's go inside and take a look real quick.
Now this one's kind of for it's smaller, a little more lightweight, and wow, with a Murphy bed.
Yes. So there's some advantages to this one, and there may be a couple of disadvantages. It's kind of how you look at stuff. So coming in right now, the bed is in the up position. So you see that you do have a sofa here. You've got hanging over here on both sides. Storage down below. Now that storage, I do believe is, yes, it is actually connected and open to your pass-through storage.
All right. Yeah, this is pretty cool, being here at their grand opening again.
Again, for their second one. This is a newer, bigger location, and just outside of Birmingham, Alabama. So if you're in this area, come check them out. But how cool are these storage drawers underneath? Now, whenever you get ready to make this into a bed, you just fold that jackknife down, pull the handle,
Booyah!
and unfold. Just like that. Presto changeo, you're ready to go to bed.
Presto changeo.
And they give you reading lights up there. So up at the front, if you can see it down in there, you do have power, USB charging on both sides. Now your only slide in this one is going to have your dinette in it, and it is up above the axle, so that makes it a little bit tall. So that could be a disadvantage. If anybody's got mobility issues, you might want to just keep that in mind. But they do give you storage underneath. Again, this will also make additional sleeping if you need it. And then you just have this really nice window out here. Over in the kitchen area. Great overhead storage. Nice little microwave over there.
Convection.
Yes. I'll go ahead and show you the AC unit while I'm standing right under it. Now this actually is going to give you solid surface in here, so that was a very nice plus.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, then you've got all of this great storage. They give you an extra little ledge here to pull out if you need some extra prep space. Your heating is going to be in the, I'll show you that when I get to it. We haven't gotten to it yet. Space right here for a smaller trash bin if you want to put it in there. Nice big drawer right here. Of course, as you can tell, that drawer means that you're not going to have an oven, so that's something else to keep in mind. But you do have a 2-burner cooktop up there, and actually a really nice size stainless sink. 12-volt compressor fridge, And underneath it is going to be your furnace.
Yeah.
Now this one does already have your TV in place. This looks like a 32-inch.
Mm-hmm.
Got some storage up above it. Your JBL radio control. Very nice. And this is also going to give you solid surface right here. And then you've got storage underneath that.
All right.
The bathroom is at the rear in this unit. So being 6 feet tall and a skylight,
Yeah.
you got really good head height in there. This is going to give you a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yes.
Yes. Dedicated linen storage.
Oh, and the little hanging bar over here, if you want to take a look at that.
Well, here, let me hand this off. And then around your sink area, you actually have some storage down below it. And a mirrored medicine cabinet.
Cool.
And for a small camper, this would have gotten our golden plunger, but it is, I think it may be being replated at the moment.
Nope.
No? Oh.
It's right there.
Oh, we do have it. Yay, okay. It
So-
got it.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and give that one. That's a nice little bathroom.
Absolutely.
And this is kind of our first time to really get to look at some Winnebagos.
Yeah.
So really cool, really nice solid surface. So anyway, and if you like this little micro mini Winnebago, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. And also, big thanks to Bish's RV for allowing J&A RV reviews here on their lot. And for 15% off for that liquefied, check out in the description. Thanks, everybody.